We're out here at Barbados today with Tristan and Dylan. We got one little brookie so far that Tristan got. Don't hit the fish. We're gonna take that home, cook it up in a little bit. We'll show you. Okay, so we brought Tristan's fish home. Got our nice fresh brook trout here. We're gonna clean it up real quick for a very easy cooking preparation. So first thing we're gonna do is right at the top of his head. We're gonna cut down. I'm not gonna go all the way through. We're gonna end right there. I'm gonna take the head, just pull it back. And I'm gonna cut from the vent straight up the belly. I'm gonna clean out all the guts here. After you clean out the guts, you want to rip the bloodline. We're going to rinse that out of there. Alright. So our trout, nice and cleaned. I'm just going to take about every couple inches down the side. I'm going to cut a slit into the meat. And that's just so any of the spices can get down into it. So we're going to do that on both sides, and then we're going to spice it up. Okay, so while I was cleaning the fish, I got my cast iron pan heating up, a little bit of butter and oil in the bottom. Now, we're just going to throw a little bit of salt on all sides in the middle, a little bit of pepper, all sides and down the middle, a little bit of garlic, and then just a very small pinch of cayenne on the inside. Okay. And we're just gonna throw him right in the pan. I'm gonna let him cook up on both sides, and we'll have Tristan give his fish a taste test. Okay, so we're home. We got the fish all cooked up. Was that a good time out fishing, Tristan?
Yes, I did catch the only fish. It was the only fish, and this is the fish.
Yeah, and there's our fish all cooked up.
Yep,
So you just took his fork and pulled off a piece. Let's see, how good is it?
What?
I said, let's see, how good is it?
All right.
If you guys haven't seen it, make sure you click the link.
It's really good.
It's really good.
Let
Let me see the fork. You were finishing? What were you going to say?
It's like really, it just tastes like normal fish.
Yeah, it tastes like salty meat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's like nothing special to it though, except for salt, but yeah.
Okay, so let me see. I'm going to steal a little bite and see how you did here. How good is your fish?
I mean, I'm the only one who caught it.
Yep.
But
Looks
Dennis,
pretty good.
But Dennis killed it.
Mmm. That was pretty good.
We did not slam it on the walk. We just...
Yeah, we gave him the icky Jimmy with the knife.
Yep.
Alright, so what else should we tell him before we go?
Say, have a like and subscribe and support Dennis's channel.
Thank you, Tristan.
You're welcome.